If you're like me, and since you're watching this, I bet you are, you've been dealing with poor vision for the better part of your life. After the first moment when you couldn't see the chalkboard in school to a lifetime of dealing with all the hassle of glasses or contacts, losing them, breaking them, the contact that goes down the drain.
But after a while, I thought there has to be something better. There has to be something else besides the daily routine of waking up and stumbling to the bathroom to grab my glasses, only to discover I'd accidentally left them in another room. Or worse, my 4-year-old hid them somewhere. So I started researching. When I discovered LASIK was the best option for me, I went in for a consultation. I figured thousands of other people have done it. Surely I could manage. Sure, at first the thought of the procedure was a little daunting, but after the consultation with my doctor, I was feeling much better.